Ever found yourself staring at your Lightspeed account, wondering how to actually get your hard-earned cash out? It's a question many Lightspeed users have, and honestly, the process isn't always as straightforward as you might hope. That's why in this video, we're breaking down exactly how to withdraw money from Lightspeed, step by step. We'll cover everything from the different withdrawal methods available, potential fees, processing times, and even some common pitfalls to avoid. So, if you're ready to turn those digital earnings into real money, then stick around. First things first, let's talk about why understanding the withdrawal process is so important. Whether you're a seasoned Lightspeed pro or just starting out, knowing how to access your funds quickly and efficiently is crucial. Maybe you need to pay bills, reinvest in your business, or simply treat yourself. Whatever the reason, you need to know how to get your money when you need it. Lightspeed, like many platforms, has its own specific procedures, and navigating them can be a little tricky if you're not familiar with the system. That's where we come in. Before we dive into the how-to, it's worth mentioning that Lightspeed offers a few different ways to withdraw your money. The most common methods usually include direct bank transfers, and sometimes they may offer options like paper checks or integration with other payment platforms. However, the exact options available to you might depend on your location, the type of Lightspeed account you have, and other factors. It's always a good idea to double-check the specifics within your own Lightspeed account settings. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of the withdrawal process. Generally, the first thing you'll need to do is log in to your Lightspeed account. This might seem obvious, but it's the crucial first step. Once you're logged in, look for a section related to wallet, balance, or payments. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your Lightspeed version, but it's usually found in a prominent menu or dashboard area. Within this section, you should find an option to withdraw or transfer funds. Click on this, and you'll be presented with the available withdrawal methods. Here's where you'll choose how you want to receive your money. For this example, let's assume you're choosing a direct bank transfer, which is the most common method. Once you've selected bank transfer, you'll likely be asked to provide some information. This usually includes your bank account details, such as the account number and routing number. Make absolutely sure you enter this information correctly. A single typo can cause significant delays or even lead to your funds being sent to the wrong account. Double and triple check everything before you proceed. Seriously, this is the most critical step. After entering your bank details, you'll usually need to specify the amount you wish to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum or maximum withdrawal limits that Lightspeed might impose. These limits are often in place for security and regulatory reasons, so it's important to be aware of them. Once you've entered the amount, you'll probably be asked to confirm the transaction. Lightspeed might also use two-factor authentication or other security measures to verify your identity and protect your funds. This is a good thing. It adds an extra layer of security to the withdrawal process. Now, here's where things can sometimes get a little less straightforward. Processing times and fees. Lightspeed, like any financial platform, may charge fees for withdrawals. These fees can vary depending on the withdrawal method, the amount you're withdrawing, and other factors. It's essential to understand these fees before you initiate the withdrawal, so you're not surprised later. The fee information should be clearly displayed during the withdrawal process. Processing times for withdrawals can also vary. Bank transfers, for example, can typically take anywhere from a few business days to a week or even longer in some cases. This depends on your bank, Lightspeed's processing procedures, and sometimes even unforeseen circumstances. Don't panic if your withdrawal doesn't show up instantly. Give it the specified processing time, and if you haven't received your funds after that period, then it's time to contact Lightspeed support. Speaking of support, let's talk about what to do if you encounter any problems during the withdrawal process. If you've entered your bank details incorrectly, if you're unsure about the fees, or if your withdrawal is taking longer than expected, don't hesitate to reach out to Lightspeed's customer support. They're there to help you navigate these issues and ensure you get your money. Look for contact information on the Lightspeed website or within your account dashboard. Now, let's touch on a few common pitfalls to avoid when withdrawing money from Lightspeed. One of the biggest mistakes is entering incorrect bank details. As we mentioned earlier, this can cause significant delays or even lead to lost funds. Always double-check your account and routing numbers before submitting a withdrawal request. Another common issue is not being aware of the fees or processing times. This can lead to frustration and unexpected delays. Always read the fine print and understand the terms and conditions before initiating a withdrawal. Finally, don't hesitate to contact support if you encounter any problems. They're there to assist you, and it's better to address any issues promptly rather than letting them linger. So, to recap the key takeaways: first, log in to your Lightspeed account. Second, navigate to the Wallet or Payments section. Third, choose your preferred withdrawal method, usually a bank transfer. Fourth, enter your bank details carefully. Fifth, specify the amount you want to withdraw. Sixth, confirm the transaction. Seventh, be aware of any fees and processing times. And finally, contact support if you have any questions or encounter any problems. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.